Hey everyone, so is your Dropbox storage full? Maybe you can't upload new files, sync folders, or save anything new. That can be super frustrating when you rely on Dropbox for work or personal files. In this video, I'll show you several easy ways to fix the Dropbox storage full problem in 2026, and most of these steps take just a few minutes. First, check how much storage you're using and which files are taking up space. Go to your Dropbox account settings and review the storage overview to see what's filling your space. Delete files or folders you no longer need. This frees up space and allows new files to upload and sync properly. Files you delete go to the Dropbox trash, which still counts toward your storage. Make sure to empty the trash to actually free up space. You can also move less used files to your computer or external drive. This keeps them safe while freeing up space in Dropbox. If you need more storage regularly, consider upgrading your Dropbox plan. Paid plans offer much more space and additional features to handle large files and multiple devices. Shared folders can also take up your storage. If you have shared folders you no longer need, leave them or ask the owner to remove unnecessary files. And that's it. Most Dropbox storage full problems can be fixed by deleting old files, emptying the trash, or upgrading your plan. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.